Okay students, today we are going to discuss incline pulling and pushing. So what we are going to discuss here means first incline pulling one side we are going to discuss. Incline pulling. The other side what we are going to discuss here, incline pushing. So let me take one surface here, rough surface. We are having one object M here. We are pulling by applying some force F here in this direction. It's making an angle with theta with the horizontal. So when you are breaking like this now, so if you want to break this now, this is F, this is theta. What we can write here, if you break F into two pieces, here you will get F cos theta, here you will get F sin theta, you will get it. So this direction what will get it, F cos theta will get it, this direction what will get it, F sin theta. Downward mg will act, upward normal reaction will come because since it's contact with the surface, and since its motion is in this direction, if you assume, because force is applied in this direction, no? So friction will be acting in backward direction. That's nothing but mu n. So if you draw free body diagram outside, no, F cos theta, backward mu n, downward mg, upward n, and one more is what acting, F sin theta. Therefore what we can write here, n plus capital F sin theta is equal to mg. Therefore n equal to mg minus F sin theta, we can write it here. So next one, if you observe now, F cos theta should be equal to mu n. F cos theta equal to mu n, we got it. So if you substitute here now, F cos theta equal to mu n. N value is nothing but what we are having, mg minus F sin theta, na? So if you substitute here now, mu mg minus mu F sin theta, we can write it here. Now what we are going to shift this mu F sin theta here, F cos theta plus mu F sin theta is equal to what we get, mu mg, we got it. So separate this F here. If I take common F now, F equal to mu mg divided by what came common here, mu cos theta plus mu sin theta, we got it. Cos theta plus mu sin theta, we got it. So this much we got the answer here. To decide which one is greater, which one is lesser, so we have to derive one more thing also. So how much you got it? Incline pulling, right? Incline pulling is nothing but mu mg divided by cos theta plus mu sin theta, we got it. Next we are going to discuss, so incline pushing. Incline pushing, we are taking one surface here, rough surface. One block we are having here, mass m. So if you observe here, no, F we are having here, it's making an angle theta with the here, pushing, incline pushing. So that point can be written like this also. This is F, this is theta, we can write it here. So if you write theta here, now what we can write it here, if you break into components, what we can write here, F sin theta, we can write it here, F cos theta, we can write it here. Then free body diagram, if you draw free body diagram, so since force is applied in this direction, friction will come in this direction. This direction what will come, F cos theta, downward what came, mg, upward what came, normal reaction came, and downward one more force acting, F sin theta. Therefore n can be written as F mg plus F sin theta, we can write it. And F cos theta can be written as, F cos theta is balanced with what, mu n. Mu n. Therefore F cos theta is equal to mu into n value, you just substitute in that. Mu into, if I substitute this value, no, mu mg plus mu f sin theta, we got it. Shift this to LHS side. F cos theta minus mu f sin theta equal to mu mg. I'm taking mu common, remain I'm sending to denominator. So f, if I take common now, so f equal to mu mg, right? Mu mg. Mu mg over what will get it here? Cos theta minus mu sin theta, we got it. This much we got it here. This force is which force here? Pushing force. This force is which force we got it? Pulling force. If you observe here, denominator we are having plus sign here. So denominator plus sign means denominator is more compared to the numerator. Denominator is more means numerator value is decreasing. Numerator value is decreasing means F pulling is decreasing here. But if you observe here, no, negative sign is there in denominator. So what will happen? If denominator negative sign is there means denominator will be decreasing. Denominator decreasing means what? Numerator will be increasing. So this force will be increasing. Therefore, what we can tell clearly here means F pushing is greater than F pulling, which we can tell here. So this is the thing which is there in NCERT, which we have to prove. And this formulas many places directly they can ask you. So F pulling equal to mu mg by cos theta plus mu sin theta. Minus is there here. Denominator is decreasing. Numerator will increase. F pushing will be more. F pulling will be less because denominator plus is there. Numerator will be decreasing. Now we are going to discuss safe speed of a vehicle and circular bank road. Banking of roads. And friction concept together we are doing. Banking of roads and friction we are doing here. So let me take one circular track here like this. This is plane surface and it is inclined circular surface this much, banked this much with an angle of theta, and let us assume one car is there here which is having m here. So that car which is having m mass moving in circular banked road. Now what are the forces experiencing on that we need to tell here. So if you observe here directly, generally downward what will act? Generally mg will act. Exactly perpendicular to that what will get? Normal reaction due to its contact with the surface. And this is 90, you know, this will become 90 minus theta. So if I extend any one thing here, this will become like theta. Now if I extend this one here, this is theta means vertically opposite angle theta. Now I want to break n into two components. What will get it here? N cos theta will get it here. So along this direction what will get it? N sin theta. Since it is moving in circular track, so what will happen means this direction will come centrifugal force mv square by r outside the circle. If vehicle is skidding, which side it can skid out? Outward direction it can skid vehicle. So if vehicle is skidding this direction, which direction friction will act? Opposite to the direction. This direction friction will act. F. Since this is theta, this can be theta, alternating angle. If you break F into two components, here we'll get it F cos theta, you will get it. Here what will get it? F sin theta. So first what we got it? Downward mg and upward normal reaction perpendicular to that. Break theta in n into two components, n cos theta, n sin theta. Then if skidding will be in this direction, so if it happens, that's why friction will be acting in this direction. Friction if you break into two components, F cos theta, F sin theta, we got it here. So for better understanding, let me do outside of a BD free body diagram. Downward mg is acting and one more force is acting, F sin theta. And upward direction what is acting? N cos theta is acting. Rightward what is acting? mv square by r. Left side what is acting? N sin theta plus F cos theta. These all things acting. So now upward, if vehicle is going balanced here, upward forces should be equal to downward forces. Therefore N cos theta equal to f sin theta plus mg. F sin theta shift this side, n cos theta minus f sin theta equal to what we can write here, mg we can write it. Now if you observe horizontal components, no, n sin theta plus f cos theta is equal to what we got it here, mg we got it. Let me make this as 1, this is as 2. Now let me divide 1 by 2 here. If you divide 1 by 2, n sin theta plus f cos theta divided by n cos theta plus, no, it's minus, f sin theta equal to, this is mg. One second, let me check. This is mg and n sin theta f cos theta balance with mv square by r, nana, mv square by r. So 1 by 2 mv square by r divided by mg. So mm will get cancelled. So what we can write it here means, this can be written as n sin theta plus friction can be written as what, mu n, right? Mu n cos theta divided by n cos theta minus mu n sin theta is equal to v square by rg. Okay, now let me change the slide. What we can take common here, we can take common n, we can take common. If you take n common here, sin theta plus mu cos theta divided by cos theta minus mu sin theta is equal to v square by rg. will get it. This and will get cancelled. Now what you have to do, divide with cos theta on numerator and denominator LHS side. So if you observe now here, sin theta by cos theta plus mu into cos theta by cos theta over cos theta by cos theta minus mu into sin theta by cos theta is equal to v square by rg. Cos theta by cos theta 1, cos theta by cos theta 1. Sin theta by cos theta is nothing but tan theta, we got it here. Here also we got like tan theta. Therefore what we got it here, tan theta plus mu divided by 1 minus mu tan theta is equal to v square by rg we are having here. Therefore v square can be written as what here, rg times the tan theta plus mu divided by 1 minus mu tan theta, we got it. Therefore v equal to what will get here, under root times the rg times the tan theta plus mu divided by 1 minus mu tan theta, which will get it here. This is nothing but safe speed of a vehicle and circular banquet roll. Safe speed of a vehicle and circular banquet roll when it's having both friction and banking. If they given only friction or if they given only banking, we are going to solve here. And this formula is very important, you have to remember as it is. In NEET 2018, they asked this question as it is, they asked in the question. Okay, so that's why we need to remember as it is, and it is from NCERT. So we have to remember this thing. So we got velocity equal to safe speed equal to this much, we got it. Now if it is only friction is there, let me change the slide. What we are going to discuss, only friction. If only friction is there, if only friction is there means mu is there, but theta should be equal to how much? 0. When theta equal to 0, tan 0 equal to how much? Tan 0 equal to 0. Therefore v equal to what we are having here, under root rg times the tan theta plus mu divided by 1 minus mu tan theta you are having. Here tan theta value is how much? 0. 0 into mu will be 0. Denominator only 1 remains here. Here tan theta value how much? 0. 0 plus mu will be mu. Therefore, what will get it? Mu rg. Therefore, velocity equal to what will get it? For only friction case, mu rg will get it. This one also we need to remember. Many places directly it can be useful. Otherwise, you can write this formula like v square by rg equal to mu. You can write it. This one also very important to solve the numericals here. Next, what we are going to do? Next one, if only banking is there. If only banking and no friction. No friction. Only banking means what will happen? Mu value will become in the answer 0. Friction is 0. Tan theta with theta will be there. So V equal to what we can write it here? Under root Rg 1 tan theta plus mu divided by 1 minus mu tan theta. Here mu is 0, mu into tan theta will become 0. Here mu becomes 0. Therefore Rg times the tan theta will get it. Therefore V equal to under root of Rg times the tan theta, we got it. This is the answer when it's having only banking, we got it without friction. This formula also can be written as square on both sides, will get like this. V square by Rg times the tan theta. So this formula also many cases you can calculate, and NCERT 2-3 numericals is there. NCERT 2-3 numericals we can solve based on this formula. As it is, we have to remember these formulas. Okay. We are going to discuss about the conical pendulum. This is only for JEE, NEET or CET purpose only. They won't ask you CBSE boards or PU boards anywhere. So conical pendulum means, let me assume one object is there here. One pendulum is suspended like this. Here about this point, and they are rotating with respect to this, means they give an angular velocity omega to this. Means what will happen? As a result, the resultant diagram you can see here, it's making, if this is vertical now, it's making an angle theta here. With that correspondence, what will happen means that will be making circles like this. Like this. So it looks like cone shape, it's making circles. Like this. So if you want to draw free body diagram now, here mass is there now, so let me capture this. So this will become what? Radius here, radius of the circle. So if you want to draw free body diagram now, we have to take like this. Here is the bob. With vertical it's making an angle theta. Downward what will act? mg. And outside the circular force what will act? mv square by r will act. This direction what will be there? Tension will be there. So what we can write it here? If I extend this direction what will come? Theta will come. So if you want to calculate tan theta here, how to calculate tan theta means? So tan theta equal to, theta is here, opposite will become mv square by r. mv square by r divided by mg. Therefore mm will get cancelled, v square by rg we get it here. Therefore tan theta equal to v square by rg. We know that v vector equals to omega vector cross r vector. So then v square is nothing but what we can write it? Omega square r square written. Therefore, let me change the pen color. So if you take this value and we are substituting in this, if you substitute here now, tan theta equal to what we get it here? Omega square r square divided by rg. 1r will get cancelled, 1r remains here. So omega square can be written as what from here? G tan theta divided by radius. So if you observe here clearly, this is nothing but what here? This is length, and let me take this fellow like this. This is nothing but radius r we are having. This is angle theta. This is what? Length L. If you break L into two components, you will get like L cos theta, and in this side what will get it? L sin theta. Means R is balancing with L sin theta. So omega square equal to what we can write here? G tan theta can be written as sin theta by cos theta, na? Sin theta by cos theta, and 1 by R can be written as what here? R you got like L sin theta. L sin theta we got it. Sin theta will get cancelled. Therefore omega equal to what we get it? Under root G by L cos theta remains here. And you know that omega linear velocity is nothing but what here? V equal to displacement by time. Angular velocity can be written as angular displacement by time. If it is making complete circle now, angular displacement is nothing but 2 pi by time. I am going to substitute this value here. 2 pi by time equal to what will get it here? Under root G by L cos theta we got it. Reciprocate this formula. So what will get it here? T by 2 pi equal to under root L cos theta by G. Therefore T equal to what they can ask you? What will get it here? 2 pi times the under root L cos theta by G. General pendulum what we are having? 2 pi under root L by G we are having here. So conical pendulum what we are having? 2 pi under root L cos theta by G we are having here. This is the main difference between general pendulum and conical pendulum. If they ask you tension here, now you know how to solve this tension. Tension equal to what we can write now? So this F net is balancing like this. Now what is the angle between these two? Mv square by R mg. Therefore tension should balancing with F net here. So F net how to get? Under root of mv square by R whole square plus mg whole square, you can get it. This is how we can calculate. I think I already showed you that pseudo force numericals where I uploaded there. And tan theta value how to find means this is how we can calculate. But mainly in conical pendulum main aim is to solve this thing. So we need to solve this thing. Yes. Now what we are going to discuss means block over block. Block over block in friction. Very important concept for JEE. So let me solve with the numerical. They given one question like this. They given one surface here and they placed one block here which is 3 kg and they placed on over that which is 2 kg. Friction between this 3 kg block and 2 kg block here they given as mu equal to 0.3. Coefficient of friction value they given mu equal to 0.3. Now step 1. In the question they told here applying force F. That F value once they given F equal to 10 Newton you apply, second you apply F equal to 20 Newton they are asking. Fine. Now for step 1 what is we need to do means we just take that plane here, take 3 kg body here and take 2 kg body here. So what you have to do means here assume both move with common acceleration. Move with common acceleration. We are assuming they both will move with common velocity, common acceleration. Therefore, A equal to what we are taking here? A equal to F net by sigma m we know. Therefore, A equal to F net is how much? Here first case I am applying 10 newtons I am telling. So if you apply 10 newtons here now, so A equal to F net by sigma m. F net is how much? A equal to, this surface is smooth surface, down surface, only friction is there upward. Okay, they both stick together. So A equal to 10 by total mass is nothing but 5, 5 1 ja, 5 2 ja, 2 meter per second we got it acceleration, 2 meter per second square. Next step, what is the step 2 means? Step 2. Check whether above statement is correct or wrong. Wrong. What we assume Nana, they both will move with common acceleration I told you. So whether it is correct or not we have to check that first. So if you want to check that now, first we case 2 kg block. If you take 2 kg block here, so this is 2 kg, downward what will act generally 20, upward what will act normal reaction will act. So F net equal to what we can write generally? MA, because on 2 nothing force acting, only on 10 we applied. F net equal to MA. Therefore F net equal can be written as what? Mass is 2 kg and acceleration is how much? 2. 2 2 is 4. F net equal to what we got it here? 4 newtons we got it. Let me check frictional force. Maximum frictional force. Frictional force. That can be friction can be written as what here? Mu into n. Mu value in the question they mentioned 0.3. Therefore F equal to 0.3 into n. Normal reaction equal to how much here? 20. I am applying 20 here. 20. Therefore F equal to what will happen? 6 newtons you will get it. So generally what we assumed is wrong here. Why? Because in between these two blocks, on 2 kg block how much force is acting? 4 newton is acting. But backward direction who is acting? Friction. Frictional force is more than applied force on 2 kg block. Means 2 kg block not at all moving. Okay. Therefore what we can tell here? 2 kg block will not move over. 2 kg block will not move over on 3 kg block. If it's not moving, no worries actually. They both move with common acceleration. What we assumed is correct only, we can tell and we can close the answer. But generally they won't give you like this. So next what we need to check? We need to check with 20 newtons here. So if you want to check 20 newtons here, now let me change the slide. If applied force F equal to 20 newtons. So they given two blocks here, na? How they given blocks? 3 kg they given. One more what they given here? 2 kg. Friction between them how much they given? 0.3. Here applied force on 3 kg is how much? 20 newtons they given. So step 1, acceleration we need to calculate. Acceleration equal to what we calculate? F net by sigma m. Step 1. So F net is how much? 20 by sigma m. 3 plus 2 is nothing but 5. 5 1 ja, 5 4 ja. Therefore what will get it? 4 meter per second square. Second step what we have to do? Check the statement whether it is correct or wrong. Step 2. To do that first block you need to calculate 2 kg block. 2 kg if you calculate now, take here no. Downward 20 acting, upward normal reaction is acting. So F net can be written as what generally? M into A. F net acting on the body 1 we are assuming like M is how much? 2 kg. Acceleration is 4. Therefore F net equal to 8 newtons. I got it here. F friction how much? Maximum friction. Friction equal to what we get it here? F equal to mu n. So mu value is how much? 0.3 into n value how much we are having here? 20. N equal to 20 balancing force. So 20 if you write here no, 6 newtons you are writing. So Fs equal to 6 newtons you are having. Means if you observe here no, F net acting on the body is how much? 8 newtons. Fs is how much? 6 newtons. Means body is sliding or not, means body slides actually. So then what will happen means acceleration will change here. So you mentioned that point here clearly. The body 2 kg slides over 3 kg block. Therefore A1 and A2 are different. A2 are different. Means what you have to understand diagram here means in this diagram when you are applying 20 force here, 20 newtons force here no. So what will happen means due to pseudo force this block upper block is going backward direction A2, down block is due to this applied force A1 here. This is we need to apply here. Otherwise you consider upper block is A1, down block is A2 as your wish. So if you take upper block now here, so upper block if you take here, this is 2 kg block. In 2 kg block this direction what is happening? Acceleration is happening. How much is this? A1. So F equal to what we can write it here? 6 newtons acting on that, no? Frictional force only. How much is it? 6 newtons. So and acceleration also this direction. 6 equal to MA. Mass into acceleration. 6 equal to 2 into A. 2 1 ja, 2 3 ja. Therefore A1 equal to 3 meter per second square. We got it. Next we want to check other block now. So if you check other block now, this is 2 kg block. Not 2 kg, 3 kg, right? 3 kg block. This direction, how much you apply 20 newtons. This direction, what you are getting? Friction, mu n is acting. How much is that value? 6. Therefore, F net can be written as what here? A2 equal to F net by sigma m. 20 minus 6 divided by 3. Therefore, A2 equal to what will be 20 minus 6 is nothing but how much? 14 by 3. So, 14 by 3 is meter per second square is answer for this. So, this is how we have to cross check. So, we did two numericals in one question actually. In first case, both are going with common acceleration. Need not to bother about that. In second case, what it's going means it's not going with common acceleration. That's why we have to solve A1 and A2 separately. We have to place there.